I thought I'd start the year off with this amazing growth oil recipe that I've been using. So I thought I'd like benefit from playing around with some Ayurvedic herbs and ingredients for myself, and I'm pretty excited to just share my hair journey with you guys and just what I've currently been doing, you know, like just chill vibes, and as well as stuff that can help you guys out too. So I'll just explain briefly why I put these ingredients in the oil towards the end of the video, just because I don't want you lot to get like thrown off with what I'm saying and then being shown something completely different on the video. So here I'm just mixing the ingredients that I've put in so far. Also it just kind of stops the powders from clumping together too much. So once I'm done putting all the oils and the herbs in, I'm just gonna let it sit for a few days, and honestly the longer you leave it the better it is really, and that's also the reason I use dry herbs, so it doesn't go off anytime soon and I can kind of let it sit and just be better and better. I ended up leaving my oil for 5 days in a dry cupboard, and I'm just using one of these like airtight glass jars. They're just really good for keeping things fresh for a longer period of time. Finally, I'm straining the oil with a fresh piece of like a muslin cloth, and then I'm just really trying to squeeze as much of the oil out as possible just to not waste any, and obviously so I can get all of the good stuff out. And then I just kind of found a bit of a budget way to decant the oil into a bottle that I can easily use when I'm applying the oil to my hair. So like once I'm done transferring the oil to this bottle, you just literally end up with this all natural, like super rich, potent oil that just works so well for the hair. So guys, I'm just going to show you how I would apply the oil on a normal day. I typically apply the oil every 2 to 3 weeks or so, just to let my hair chill and regain its balance, since the henna is super strengthening. I just want to give you guys a bit of an insight on why I put the herbs and oils in my oil. So dried curry leaves are just a super rich source of protein, which is just good for like overall health of the hair and scalp. It's loaded with beta carotene and amino acids, just helping to reduce hair loss and encouraging that new growth. So for moisture, I just added my favorite carrier oils, which are castor, coconut and olive oil. And then dried hibiscus is rich in vitamin C and amino acids that are just necessary for producing keratin. And again, like, it's a bit similar to like the curry leaves. It's just known for encouraging new growth from those like dormant follicles. It's also really good for like getting rid of build-up without stripping the natural oils, and it just creates a good slip for detangling too. So amla is just another one of my favorites. It's literally loaded with essential fatty acids that really get into the follicles, just allowing for softer, shinier hair, and again just stimulating that hair growth because of its high like iron and keratin content. And then I just use like my favorite essential oils, peppermint, which I love, rosemary and garlic oil. They all just pretty much like promote hair growth by like stimulating blood flow and that. So the henna is like the main thing, and it basically just has this thing called Lawson dye, which literally fills in the damaged gaps in the hair shaft, gradually making it thicker. And I can't even lie, I'm telling you, the thickness of my hair is unreal. In conjunction with like henna gloss bars that I made, which I've been using, it's pretty crazy, like just seeing it for myself. And I'm only using like a small amount as it's very potent, and I'll just kind of work my way up slowly to using more over time. And then the aloe is just super amazing for like its antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory. It's just super moisturizing on the scalp, and I found it really balances out like the mad strength of the henna. And then finally, like the fenugreek, it just strengthens the actual hair follicles and increases the density of the hair, just preventing hair loss and shedding, and then just over time repairing damage. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please actually let me know whether you tried this recipe and how it worked for you. Like, I would love to know what you guys' thoughts are. And yeah, just make sure to follow me on socials as well, just to keep caught up with like my uploads and that. And I'll see you in the next video.